शहर आज हो गई अबे रब दी महर चिट्टा कुक्कड़ बने रे चिट्टा कुक्कड़.
Hi guys, this is Harshita here and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to yet another exploring episode. So basically wedding season शुरू हो चुका है and officially brides चाहे वो दिसंबर में शादी करने वाली हो शॉपिंग अभी से शुरू कर चुकी है and they like I think nowadays brides are looking for designer unique pieces exclusive pieces and of course उसके लिए हमें जाना होता है एक डिजाइनर स्टोर में but of course we also want the outfit in a budget. Okay, so this time I have come to my favorite designer
store which is Rajkumari by Richa Havre which is in front of Inorbit Mall. ये बिल्कुल Inorbit Mall के सामने है. यहाँ पे कैसे पहुँचा जाता है I will put it in the description box. Guys मैं हमेशा आपको best wedding outfits यहाँ पे दिखाती हूँ for the brides, bridesmaid and for the grooms as well. But this time I have taken upon a challenge. ये challenge store के लिए भी है और मेरे लिए भी है कि मैं सारे outfits under 20k दिखाने वाली हूँ इस बार. So we are going to stick to a budget. सारे functions के लिए हम outfits देखेंगे, designer outfits but under a budget. So let's go in and let's see their collection.
Hi Richa, how are you?
Hi Harshita, how are you?
I'm
Nice to
fine.
see you.
So आपको पता है कि अभी wedding season शुरू हो रहा है and all the brides are asking for the trendiest outfits.
Absolutely.
So what do we have this time?
So the bridal landscape has increased and there are so many new trends which have come in the market. The biggest trend that I'm seeing now everywhere and which is beautiful trend is mermaid core.
Okay.
So these are fish cut lehengas with a very feminine silhouette. They look really beautiful on most body types. So I think you should really explore this option.
Okay, but I think the colors are really going towards blues and fashion. So do
Yeah.
you have anything in blue like fashion?
Right, I love blue this season.
Oh,
and in
wow.
all different shades of blue, I'm loving this shade. of powder
Amazing. This is such a beautiful color, guys.
blue. What occasion are you looking for?
I think for Sangeet,
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
For this would look
this
beautiful. for
yeah,
the
this
Sangeet
does
function.
match the vibe. क्या बोलते हो? So I think this is an amazing color, amazing trend as you said. So let's try it on.
Sure.
सारा शहर आज हो गई अबे रब दी महर हाय सजे आए बे सारा शहर आज हो गई अबे रब दी महर चिट्टा
So I'm really happy with the Sangeet look, but हल्दी के लिए I'm really confused because हमेशा yellow ही पहनते हैं and it is so overused. In fact, I'm wearing yellow right now and now I'm not in a mood to wear yellow.
I agree with you totally that yellow is so overused
Right.
and there are so many colors that we can play with. Something like how about a turquoise or a pink.
Yeah, but I think
Some poppy colors which can look nice on your morning days.
correct. But something which matches the vibe of haldi also, not
Right.
going out of the yellow,
Correct.
but still different.
Correct. So one silhouette I'm loving this season is blazers.
Okay.
So
That's a
blazers
beautiful one.
are so unique. They look stylish. They give this boss vibes.
Correct. And
And-
very different from the ethnic look also.
Correct. And they completely fit in the Indo-Western look.
Correct.
So these are printed blazers with little work that has been done.
Amazing.
I have merged the trend of chikankari with blazers in this beautiful
Wow,
this is
peach
a color look. Very
Correct.
elegant.
This will also match the haldi
Yes.
look. Okay.
And as I know that you like to wear one outfit in different ways.
yes.
So
exactly.
this outfit can go with in any of your different functions.
different
as well.
functions as well. Right. We can mix and match and wear it differently. So I think we should give it a try.
Yes.
ही है सनम इश्क जगता रहे वक्त सुनता रहे
कुछ भी नहीं है तेरे कदमों से आगे कदमों से आगे कदमों से आगे.
We're talking about trends and one trend that I think is so versatile can be used in multiple ways of wearing is the cape trend.
Oh.
Look at this beautiful midnight blue color. It comes with a bustier, a plain, a palazzo down and a cape. Now you can wear this cape with a sari
With the sari as well.
as
Right.
well and in multiple ways with a plain anarkali you can style it. And I think this is also a great option for pre-wedding, sangeets, if you want to go lighter.
करेक्ट, या दिस इज वेरी लाइट ऑल्सो गाइज, एंड फिर भी इसके ऊपर इतना वर्क है, सो ऑफकोर्स यू विल लुक लाइक वेडिंग रेडी. इट्स नॉट वेरी सिंपल प्लेन येट वेरी वेरी ट्रेंडी एज यू कैन सी. सो आई थिंक दिस इज वॉट आई एम गोइंग टू चूज फॉर माई कॉकटेल पार्टी लुक. लेट्स पुट इट ऑन.
That's a great cocktail option.
मौसम बाबू तेरे घर में अब चले पाओ मेरे पिया के शहर में.
So coming to the wedding, I think that is the most important function for
Right.
any bride. So I think Bollywood vibe is something जो कि सब लोग इंस्पायर होते हैं. जैसे ही कोई भी सेलिब्रिटी की शादी होती है, people want to recreate the look, but of course they are wearing like a Sabyasachi or a Manish Malhotra. So what do you suggest? Something which is under budget but as beautiful as them. Of course our connection is as beautiful, but something that you can suggest.
I would say whites and ivories are so elegant.
Right.
I think nothing can beat the elegance of whites and ivories. So why not choose a white outfit? This is all chikankari work embellished with sequins. This is beautiful. Yeah, and so we can go with a color, this color. There are many options that we have, but personally I love this.
Yes, this is perfect for the wedding. Ditching the reds and the pinks and adding to the Bollywood vibe, adding to the trend which is going on.
Correct.
Amazingly beautiful.
I think it also looks very nice with the groom's outfit. If the
Yes,
groom can go
exactly.
for gold.
Matching आजकल चलता है. But are you sure this is in my budget?
The good part is it is in your budget.
Wow.
All these collections we have made for brides who want something stylish, trendy, of good quality in budget.
That's amazing. I mean, like 20K के अंदर you are getting a white lehenga, guys, with such a beautiful embellishments as you can see. So I think nothing more than that I can ask for. So yeah, I think my shopping is done. I'm going to try this on and I'll show you.
सो इतने सारे ट्रेंड्स देखने के बाद आई एम श्योर गाइज दैट यू माइट बी लुकिंग आउट फॉर समथिंग जो कि हर इवेंट में जा सके. अगर आप कोई एक ही फंक्शन अटेंड करने वाले हैं तो ऐसा कुछ लेना चाहते हैं जो डेफिनेटली आप रिपीट कर सके. तो साड़ी इज़ दैट पीस विच कैन बी रिपीटेड. इट नेवर गोज आउट ऑफ फैशन. यहाँ पे आपको रेडी टू वेयर साड़ीज़ भी मिल जाएंगी. साथ ही साथ यहाँ पे आपको क्लासिक जो इंडियन सिल्क वेलवेट साड़ीज़ होती हैं वो भी आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाएगी. आई पिक्ड अप वन इन अ वेरी वाइब्रेंट कलर फॉर द इवेंट.
देखा तेनों पहले पहले बार वे होने लगा दिल बेकरार वे रब्बा मैनू की हो गया दिल जानिए रब्बा मैनू की हो गया.
So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Rajkumari is a perfect destination to get the wedding outfits for brides as well as for grooms, customized outfits. बच्चों के लिए wedding outfits भी यहाँ पे मिलते हैं. So don't forget to share and don't forget to visit here. Also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. See you.